Imagine a bowl that's warm, creamy, comforting and packed with flavour. That's chicken congee. Today we'll show you how to turn a handful of simple ingredients into the ultimate comfort food you'll want to make again and again. Congee, or rice porridge, is a blank canvas that you can top with anything you like. Today we're showing you our favourite way to enjoy this dish. Best of all, it's budget friendly, and if you make a big portion, you have a meal that you can enjoy throughout the week. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you that good food doesn't need to be difficult, expensive, or need tons of space. Okay, let's get started. This one couldn't be any simpler. Get a pot of water onto the heat. We'll bring it to the boil before we add our ingredients. Once the water is hot, add your rice. Give the rice a stir from time to time to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. When you see the rice start to dance in the pot, it's time to add your chicken. If you're busy, you can add everything together at the same time. Let the chicken cook for about 50 minutes, then remove from the pot. If you let your chicken cook for too long, you will lose all the flavour to the pot. While your congee will be really flavourful, your chicken will be bland. If you're cooking this for the week, the congee will thicken more in the fridge. You'll just need to add a little extra water to loosen it up when you're reheating. Let the rice cook for another 30 minutes or so until the grains break down. While the congee continues to cook, let's make our garlic oil. Finally, chop half a bulb of garlic. Then put a small saucepan on high heat. Wait until the pan is hot enough, then add enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Give the pan a minute or two to heat up the oil. You can check that your oil is hot enough by dropping in a small bit of garlic. If it sizzles, then you're ready to make your garlic infused oil. Add your garlic to the pan. Stir your garlic from time to time to prevent it from catching on the bottom and burning. When the garlic is a light golden brown, turn off the heat and transfer to a heat-proof container. The garlic will continue to darken a shade or two as it cools. The chicken should be cool enough now. Remove the chicken from the bone into bite-sized pieces. Of course, with chicken being Henry's favourite thing in the world, we had to give him a little taste. By now, the congee should be pretty much ready. The rice grains should look like this. The rice will continue to thicken the congee as it stands. Add the chicken back in the pot and we're done. Here is our chicken congee. We like to serve ours with some pickled lettuce, roast peanuts, white pepper and soy sauce, along with a crispy garlic oil. Of course, this is our favourite way. You can serve this with anything you like, including meatballs and marinara sauce. Well, thanks for joining us, and remember, you're welcome in our kitchen anytime.